My new invention. This is a nice one. It's a really nice one. Finally made it. 2 years. Not 2 days. It took me a long time to make this. Now I guess I can call my friend over to check it out with me. Yeah. So dude, what did you want to show me? Look. Whoa, dude, that's really cool. Where'd you get that? I built it. So yeah. Really cool. And, this thing can also control it, but I just like to use it handy. Yeah. You want to drive it? Sure, dude. Okay. Okay, dude, I'm controlling it. Okay. Whoa, bro. Whoa. Okay, bro, I'm just going to stop controlling it so you can just ride. Here, let me. There you go. Okay, dude, I'm going to do this. Ready? Whoa! Bro, that's really fun. I know. It's fast, too. I call it the Flash. Fire Flash. I don't like the name. Oh. I don't care. Well, I'm going to control it now. Pew! Whoa. Ooh. Ugh. Bro, are you okay? I don't feel too good. Oh, I made another invention that heals you. I'll be right back. Oh, God. It might look weird and all, but if I give it to you, you have to eat it. And you're healed. Okay, no. I feel much better. Told you it works. I'm going to go put my motorbike back in my garage. I was going to make a dirt bike, but yeah, what a waste of time. But I'll break it back, dude. Oh, okay. I probably need to go get my car. Brum, 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 brum. Oh, we're here. Well, when did you buy this car? Kind of like, oh yeah, a week ago. And I never noticed. Yeah, it's a nice car. I call it Hot Wheel. What? Hot Wheel? Seriously? You can think of all the beautiful names, but you have to name it Hot Wheel. Hot Wheel's a good name, too. Well, I'm gonna go somewhere. Yeah, okay. Well, I know this one spot where it's really cool. I'll be right back, dude. I'm trying to fix my tire, and I'm trying to fix my thing. Done. I'm not done with mine yet. No, over that. Okay. Well, dude, honestly don't know what to do. Didn't work. I do it one more time. Okay. Got it. How's your bike working out? Zow! Why'd you turn on the wheel when I was... You could have... I don't know, but that hurt. Let's see if my car works. Perfect. Okay. Oh, I'm just gonna sit down and relax. And look at the sun. Well, close my eyes and just, yeah, chill. Yeah, guys. Oh my gosh. How do I get this? Okay, there we go. Oh wait, perfect. Feels like I have something in my hair. Bro, do I have something in my hair? Yeah, it's like red. Whatever. I'm just gonna keep it in there for now. Bro, do you mind if I use your thing to fix my tires? They're kind of flat. Oh, sure, I don't care. Okay. Eek, 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 eek. welcome. Oh, I'm gonna skip the scene. Stupid remote. What are you doing? Oh, I'm just trying to look in the back of my thing, see if there's anything important. Oh, my oil is leaking. Let me fix that. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm low on gas. What, do you have any gas in your trunk? Maybe. Let me check. Here, dude. Oh, there's a lot of gas in here, I bet. Sure is. Okay, well, I'm done. Yep, same for my car. Oil's leaking. I just got this car and it's brand new. Yeah. But what happened to your window? Oh, this one guy hit me and I was so mad. I went like this. Did I ever spray on you? Yeah. But then he picked me up like that and then he slammed me on the floor like that. So yeah, it ended up pretty badly and he won. So yeah. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna fix this still. I really need to fix it. Oh gosh, doing this again. There we go. What's that noise? Oh, it's an airplane, bro. Look. Sounds like it's crashing. Okay, wait there. Anyways. Whoa! Oh, it didn't crash, but it did land really hard. Whoa. It's tire pop. Look. Whoa. Oh, where were we? Anyways, oh, gosh. Oh, no, come back. I'm back. Oh, dang, I could have lost that thing. Oh gosh, I lost gas. Oh, there's gas in here. Man, this thing kind of loses gas quick. But, like, the reason... I mean, it lasts 3 hours. No. It lasts, like, a day on the road. Yeah. Well, anyways, it's been, like, about 7 minutes. Yes? No, that's not long at all. Yeah. Wait a minute. I think I know a friend who does cars. Oh, yeah, my oil's still leaking. Hold up, I'll go get him. So what would you like for me to do? Yeah, I'd like for you to fix my car. Well, the oil's leaking. That's easy. Gonna take about 4 to 5 hours, though. Oh, okay. And do you, by any chance, have a flashlight that I can use? Flashlight. Yeah. I'll be right. Is there anything else you need? Nope, that's it. Good. Okay. Upgrade status. Well, what are you doing? Upgrading my thing. Can I make it go 10,000 miles? I mean, 10,000 miles per hour. Oh, okay. That's fast! I know. But in the aircraft, I want it to be about 500. Read that. Perfect. And okay, everything's done. Oh, okay. Well, it's done. There's a flashlight. Thank you. Call me anytime you need me. Don't call anyone else. Call me. Do you hear a dirt bike in the background? Because I certainly do. Yeah, kind of. Well, nothing else to do today. Probably tomorrow we're going to do a lot more. Let's do a road trip tomorrow. Okay, huh? Bye, guys. Bye. Please subscribe.